A bridge crane production line refers to a manufacturing or assembly process where bridge cranes, also called overhead cranes, are utilized to facilitate the movement. These systems are common in industries such as automotive and large-scale warehousing. Key components of a bridge crane production line. Bridge. The horizontal beam spanning the working area. The hoist lifts the load. Runway system. Workstations, such as assembly, welding, material handling system, and other transport mechanisms that complement the crane's movement. Sensors. Programmable logic controllers (PLCs), and software to coordinate crane operations and ensure safety. Safety features. Load limiters, anti-sway systems, and emergency stops. Advantages of using a bridge crane in production lines. Freeing up floor area. Safety. Applications. Steel and metal industry, warehousing and logistics. Considerations for setting up. Span and height, adjusted for the production workflow requirements. Would you like details on a specific type of bridge crane system?